Hi everyone. Today let's discuss about law of definite proportion given by Joseph Proust. No matter from which source the compound is obtained, a given compound always contains exactly the same proportion of elements by weight. Example, if you take water from tap or lake or sea, the ratio of mass of hydrogen and oxygen in which they combine with each other is always the same, which is 2 is to 16, 1 is to 8. Law of multiple proportion by John Dalton. If two elements can combine to form more than one compound, the masses of one element that combine with the fixed mass of the other element are in the ratio of small whole numbers. Given your example is of water and hydrogen peroxide, masses of hydrogen is fixed, which is 2 gram, and masses of oxygen that combines with a fixed mass of hydrogen are in the ratio 16 is to 32, which is 1 is to 2. Another example given here is of nitrogen oxides. Oxygen is combining with a fixed mass of nitrogen, which is 14 gram. Therefore, the ratio of masses of oxygen which combine with fixed mass of nitrogen is 8 is to 16 is to 24 is to 32 is to 40, which simplifies and give 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 5. So, such a simple way to remember the laws if you understand the concepts. Follow me for day 10 where we'll decode law of reciprocal proportion.